I don't think we did a follow-up video on the Yamaha Virago, so in this video that's what we're going to do. If you remember in the last video I got the bike put back together and all I had left to do was give it a test ride. Well, after that test ride, I can see we still have a problem. And I think that problem is these carbs. So I'm going to get them whipped off the bike and I'm going to take a look. So I've just stripped these carbs down and I found a load of shit in them. So these have been stripped, they've been cleaned, they've been back on the bike, test rode it, and for some unknown reason there's shit in the bowls on the carbs. So where's that coming from? I decided to strip the carbs down further and put them in the ultrasonic cleaner and give them a good clean. I got a carb rebuild kit off Amazon because it was a third of the price of Yam bits. I rebuilt the carbs and I got them back on the bike. As you can see, after they've been in an ultrasonic cleaner, they look much better. Let's see if the clean and rebuild did the trick. So there you are, that's one XV535 Virago fixed. I'll pin a link in the comments for the carb kit. If anyone wants any carbs cleaned or rebuilt, feel free to get in touch. Another problem solved. I hope you enjoyed the video.